first step, we need to install Terraform locally so we can start using it. And obviously, based on which operating system you're using, the installation will be a bit different. So either you can install it using a package manager tool on Linux or Mac, or you can just download Terraform binary from Terraform's official page and then set it up locally yourself. And this applies to Windows, Linux, and Mac. And you will find links to how to install Terraform on different operating systems in the video description. So check it out there and do the installation on your OS. And once you have Terraform, then you can move on with the tutorial. Now, if you're on Mac, the easiest way to install Terraform is using brew package manager. You just do brew install Terraform, and this will install Terraform. And once you have it installed, then you can use Terraform version. And if you have an output of Terraform version, it means it is correctly installed and configured. I already have Terraform installed. I have a version 0.13.5, and I can also upgrade to the latest Terraform version. So I'm gonna do brew update. So now that brew updated its list of packages, we can do brew upgrade Terraform. And now if we do Terraform version, I have the up-to-date Terraform version, so we can start using it. Since Terraform is widely used to automate AWS infrastructure, and because AWS is the most popular cloud platform out there, we will use AWS as an example to learn all Terraform concepts. However, note that all these will be very similar to using Terraform for other platforms and technologies. Now, in this part, I'm going to show you how to write a Terraform file that connects to your AWS account. And we will create a VPC and subnet in our AWS account just to learn the basic concepts of Terraform and its syntax. So the first thing we need is we're going to create a project folder called Terraform. So let's create a folder called Terraform. And we're going to start creating files in that folder. Now let's actually open Visual Studio Code and create a new file here. And let's save it into our Terraform folder that we just created. And let's call it main.tf. TF stands for Terraform, and main is just the name we give. You can name it whatever you want. This is just a standard for calling the main Terraform file main.tf. So let's create this file. And if you're working in Visual Studio, you can actually install a plugin for Terraform. There is actually an official one from HashiCorp Terraform. However, I have installed another one which actually looks pretty good because of syntax highlighting. But whichever plugin you want, just install one so that we have a nice syntax highlighting in our file.